Good morning, all of you. Welcome at the virtual conference on PharmaVision 2K25, organized by Sri Balaji Book Distributor, New Delhi. I'm Dr. Ali Patel, professor at Parul Institute of Pharmacy, Baroda. It's my great pleasure to be with you all. Respected invited guests, senior teachers, professionals, and organizers, and my dear galaxy of future pharmacists. Since last 6 months, global is suffering with the COVID-19, and yet pharma sector observed about 90% challenging growth in that era by self-suffice, while overall growth is around negative 29%. Pharma sector is working hard and providing the medicines to the global. Dear friends, there are excellent potentials for pharma sector in API, bioinformatics, biotechnology, medical devices, pharmacovigilance, herbals and nutraceuticals, healthcare products, and so many. So, grab these opportunities with independent positive planning, hard work, and 200% dedication, honesty and ethics, optimism with quality journey, and with open mind, as open mind is growing mind. Dear friends, tune with the time, learn and learn, update your knowledge and synchronize it with others. Think about the achievements, examine your capabilities and strength, and then perform. Do not have shortcut. Why? Because shortcuts are seems sweet, but in all it may be long run. Learn from the failures of ours or others. Concept of maximum message in minimum words. Work to express, not to impress others. Sky is the limit. One has to deliver, and the best cannot rest. Many congratulations with thanks to all members of Sri Balaji Group Distributors. Thanks to my teachers, colleagues and professionals. Thank you all. Stay safe and secure with natural immunity. My best wishes to you all for innovative achievements further. Thank you. Happy learning.